Alright, today for our last Grammar Monday activity, we will do one more next week, but it'll be a review. We are going to look at accept versus accept. Alright, the basics of these two. Accept means to agree or to receive something offered. Accept means excluding or with the exception of. The EX of accept can help you remember that it means excluding. Accept is a verb. Accept means to agree or to take something offered. Some examples. The correct way to use it is, when Bob asked Sally to marry him, she happily accepted. And then the incorrect way is, the dog likes all vegetables except lettuce. That should be the EX version in that second one. Alright, accept with an E usually functions as a preposition or a conjunction. As a preposition, accept means but. As a conjunction, accept is often followed by that, and it means only or with the exception of. And in the rare case that the accept functions as a verb, it means to exclude or to object. Some examples. Correct version is, all of the classmates except Will attended the reunion. So it means everyone except Will attended. And then the incorrect way is, will you accept my gift? This should be the version with the A. How to remember the difference between accept and accept. If you are a good speller, here's an easy trick to distinguish accept from accept. Remember that the first two letters of accept give a clue to its meaning. Accept with an EX means to exclude. Alright, and here's one example. I was never really insane except upon occasions when my heart was touched. That's an Edgar Allan Poe quote. And then our next one, we accept the love we think we deserve. And that is a quote from The Perks of Being a Wallflower. Alright, now, for your assignment, you have the Grammar Monday activity. I've included the definitions up here. You've got 10 questions to get done. Let's go ahead and do the first one together. It is important to blank responsibility for your actions, but that isn't always easy to do. In this case, we would want this version. Okay? Alright, let me know if you have any questions, and get this done by midnight, and have a good day.